The gold-loaded carbon enters a highly automated elution circuit, where heat and chemical solutions separate valuable gold from the carbon particles.
Rows of industrial electrowinning cells fill a brightly lit recovery hall, where electric current flows through gold-rich solution.
Carefully controlled heat removes remaining moisture as the concentrate moves through the heated chamber. Workers monitor the systems to ensure consistent drying performance. The smelting cycle reaches peak efficiency as valuable gold settles naturally beneath lighter impurities.
Looks good. Take it away.
Security is paramount here. Every single bar is X-rayed and weighed before it reaches the main refinery floor for analysis.
The ICP-MS provides unparalleled precision, analyzing trace elements down to parts per billion. This ensures the integrity of every doré bar we process.
The voltage on cell 4 is slightly elevated. Purity metrics are steady though. The crystal structure looks excellent. As the pure gold reaches its casting temperature, automated systems ensure the purity is maintained before it is directed to the molds.
Steady on the flow rate.
Maintaining temperature, mold 4 is filling nicely.
Keep the temperature steady, we're almost through the phase transition. Acknowledged. Quality check confirms 0 defects so far.
The current batch is holding steady at 999.999.
Confirmed. All tolerances are within the microscopic range. The system shows a pass.
Our advanced spectrometers verify the exact purity and composition before final hallmarking. Each bar receives a unique identity that enables global traceability and authentication. Laser.
Crate confirmed, Bay 3.
All units, package secured. Proceed with exit protocol.
Clear to roll.
Gold's exceptional conductivity makes it vital for advanced electronics. But craftsmanship gives this element a different form of value. Gold reaches its most artistic stage as craftsmen shape, polish, and assemble luxury jewelry. From the depths of the earth to a symbol of global wealth, these finished products represent the pinnacle of refinement.